unload the cod, grab the fishing rods, and go fishing. Come along for the ride. So we've set up camp down the back stalls here. We've got the whole place to ourselves. Have a look at this. No one.
Oh, 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 he's a little Barra. Oh, no. Another little
Don't know what he is.
mangrove jack.
He's very silver.
That's a better sized mangrove. Look at the teeth on him.
Oh, look at his colours coming out now.
Yeah.
So,
You reckon he's got to be size, eh? Yeah, 35 centimetres.
we've got a map there.
Have you?
Yeah.
All right, we'll try him. Because if he's not, I'll chuck him back. Oh, shit. What's he got to be? 35.
I can just sense my rod's about to go off.
Yeah, easy.
Easy.
He's 36.
Oh.
I'll give him a cleaner so you can get a good photo of him. Welcome to Banana Wells.
Oops. He's a Barra.
Nah, I think it's a good salmon.
Oh.
Hold on. This is a good fish. Oh. Hey, look out. Look out. It's a good fish.
Don't worry about your camera, mine's rolling.
Oh,
Lost him.
oh, he
Get
got
out.
me. I seen the flip.
No way.
That could have been the one.
Oh.
He might have been a big salmon.
See?
He looked like a Barra
Oh,
to me.
mate. I'm not even gonna like talk it up. That was a good 700, I reckon.
Nice.
Oh.
Jesus.
No way.
And that was on the bait.
That was on the bait. Oh. Shattered. You see it jump?
I'm hoping.
Oh. No way.
Look at the size of him.
Oh.
Held it. Come here, you big bugger.
Keep him up here. Keep him up here.
Oh. What?
Got him?
Oh.
Sorry, mate.
Stay away from the water, mate. Oh, there you go, catching mud crabs.
He'd want to be worth it.
Just watch your back there, cub.
Yep.
He's got to be a can across, so we got it. Lucky we got a can.
Just over a can, maybe.
Yeah, he's size. Oh, we'll chuck him back. Oh, Chloe will love him. Caught a mud crab.
Good job, Davo.
Good job, mate. Dropped a salmon, caught a mud
He's a
crab.
male too, he's a buck.
Yeah,
Let's get me back off this fucking water.
yeah.
Look at that, eh?
You want to take him?
Oh, you take him.
Take him, he's good size.
Will you miss I'll eat him?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
She said she wants another mud crab.
Yeah.
He's can.
Yeah.
So as long as he's can,
Yeah. Well, he's just over a can, probably about like 5 or 10 mil over a can. Got some fair choppers on him, the lad, hasn't he? And on a rod. Hey, come on, a sinker.
A mouthful
Yeah.
of sand
Lost
for
a
it.
cracking salmon.
and there you got a mud crab.
You got a mud crab.
Heading back out here just to keep an eye on the tide.
We start in here through the right.
Yep.
We should find a nice opening there.
Yeah, copy. Now, so Ronnie's already moved. I caught the other side of the mouth, eh?
He's a smart man.
Yeah.
The worst part is I've got the keys for the buggy.
Well, there's definitely more water in there now than when we walked in, isn't there?
Yep.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car now.
Hey? What do you reckon, catfish? Let's hope not, baby. Get down to the edge a bit closer. There's a bit of an edge to lift it up in here, eh? You gotta get him up over that edge. It's gone. No, he's still there. Yeah, filthy catfish. You can get him off. Hey? Dirty, rotten catfish. I didn't go down this end. Hey, high five. First fish for the day. Good job. Now get rid of him. Look at that, eh? That's a Jenny though, eh? You see on her back she's a Jenny. In you go, darling. Alright. So we've got old mate here. We're going to chuck him in. I've made my own little bucket here. I don't know whether you can see. I don't know how my camera set up, but anyway, I've made my little bucket. Chuck that in there. I don't know whether that's what it's meant to do, but I'm hoping it'll fill up. Come on. And then that'll sort of just sink down. And what do you reckon? Do I look like a rookie or what? I reckon. Anyway, I'll tie this off here. I don't like being too close to the water, to be honest with you. We are in the top of Western Australia. Well, my bucket's upside down, so if the lid comes off, I'm screwed. Anyway. Righto. Well, that was good. First ever fish in my cast net. We'll go again. Righto. So we're going to see if this thing's still alive. And whether my livey bucket actually works. Yep, it does. Happy days. Well, that's a good thing. So this is my weapon of choice. Look, the critics will smoke me for this, because I don't know really what I'm doing, but I'm having a crack. I've got a special rod going on there. Apparently you just pin them through the back here. Like that. And you just chuck him out. And you hold on. I don't know. Does that look like it's going to catch a barra? Look at it. I reckon it's gonna. Let's see, eh? Let's bloody see. Take my thongs off. Let's get him in. Righto. Catch me a barra, mate.
I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right and I got it wrong, but I learned my lesson hanging on.
Righto, we're on. We're on.
Don't walk down there.
Look at the backdrop, eh? Look at the backdrop.
Oh,
What do you reckon we got?
being my rod, I hope it's a barra.
Not jumping yet. Got some solid head shakes.
Bucket shark.
Oh, I can't get any closer than that, eh?
Dragon.
Dirty, filthy fucking catfish. Biggest thing you'll see in your life, but
All that for nothing.
yeah. What's going on with that rod down there? Huh. Look at this. Look at the backdrop here, eh? So pretty, eh? Isn't it?
Am I catching catfish?
Yeah, we're catching catfish.
Old mate blows in. Just get some fucking salmon.
Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe we should stick to the tracks, I reckon.
Yeah. What do we got? It's the biggest catfish you'll ever see in your life.
Seriously?
Yep.
Oh, we can stay there.
No, you can't. Oh,
Seriously?
hey, your drag's going. Grab your line, go to the end of your rod. Grab your line and drag it up. Yeah. That's a salmon. Holy shit, man. I don't.
Oh, his hook just pulled out.
Hey?
His hook just pulled out. Fucking hell.
No, it might be a catfish.
He's got really long things underneath.
That's a salmon. Oh. No, that's a salmon.
Oh, got him.
I got him.
Got him.
That's a decent salmon. Hey! You're going down. If those crocs were buggered. Hang on. You alright? I'm going to throw him up to you. Yeah? You ready? I've got to get out of here, eh?
How do I grab him? In his mouth?
Hey?
He's not going to bite me?
Oh, I don't give a fuck.
Oh, got him.
Oh,
Ah,
I've got to get out of here, man. I'm stuck in the mud.
crawl this way. I can't help it. Woo!
Oi! Oi! I'm fucking stuck in the mud here, man.
I don't know how I get you.
Fucking hell, man.
Oh,
I'm stuck here, eh?
give me your hand.
Fuck.
Give me your hand.
I can't. Keep going, keep going. Fuck. Fucking hell. That's a decent salmon.
Yeah.
Good job.
Ooh, that was a team one.
That was a good job, baby. Whew.
Check him out.
Whew. That's good. Oh,
Dude.
I'm puffing. Holy mackerel.
He's got a hook in his ass as well. Oh, as soon as I saw that long one.
Yeah.
Whew.
Not gonna lie. That was a catch of a lifetime. Good job, baby.
Team Red
Good
Dust.
Yeah, we got a bit deep there.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Starting to get silly. I'm going in for the
About
rescue.
catching.
Oh, we'd have to keep him, take him back.
Hey? You'd feed up on him. We'll fill him up, chuck him straight in the freezer. Sorry for breathing like this,
That's nasty in there,
Aye.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
I reckon that's just...
pretty cool, eh?
Oh, I'm on the board.
Yeah, you are on the board. And I was just like, that's the biggest catfish you'll ever catch.
And look how long his whisker was. I seen that and I was like, no, he's not.
Ah, that's a solid salmon. That's what I got. That's what got off the other day. This big bad boy. Holy shit.
I better wind up
Oh,
this rod.
I'm up in the background, not packing up. Get him back in. Salmon are on. Good job.
Oh, hang on. I think I might have lost a whole lot of shit.
Have you? Oh, you've lost everything.
That's okay. I'm done now. I've caught something.
Well, let's get the hooks out of him. If you want to hold this torch, get up a bit further away, like so I can. Oh, he caught him, backed him up in the tail. Sure,
No, the one in his mouth, he spat.
And we'll see. There's your paternoster. Got him in the tail as well.
Tricky, aren't I?
Oh, shit.
Oh, he's trying to slide back to the bank.
So we need to keep him. There's some good tackle there.
Yep.
Look at that. Well, let's, for just shits and giggles, you got the light there. Let's get the bloody brag mat out. Where are we? Hold the torch up here, dear. Don't worry about your rod. Let's get the... Where's our camp?
Over there.
Over there? We don't even know where it's camp. So hold the torch up here, dear.
Hang on. I'll just get up the hill myself.
There's a bit of swearing in here, guys. I apologise for that, but yeah, heat of the moment, isn't it? Hey?
Exciting.
It's a solid salmon. Listen to me puffing like a big fat prick. Righto. Let's get him out. Let's get him out. Here we go. Spooled out. Good mate of ours, spooled out. Callum, good on you, mate. Look at that. I don't know how you're meant to measure these. Come down here. Where's the light? Get the light. Turn your red shit off and put your white stuff on. Yeah, there you go.
There we go.
I don't know how to do it. Get off the shadow, yeah. Where you go, the longest fin. Get away from your shadow, dear. So take your light off. Here we go. I'll just teach Fee how to use a light. Yeah, she won't let it off her guts. 77.
Oh.
Well, that's a decent salmon. In anyone's language.
Have a look at this.
Hey, have a look at that.
Didn't just lose tackle.
Nah.
Almost.
Nearly lost me. Nearly lost me in the mud.
I went in for a bit of
Then for a dip.
a rescue.
Huh.
I got too deep.
And the best part is we've still got a couple of vodkas to drink. We've still got a little bit of bait, and that's just bait, guys, on a bit of a paternoster rig. Hey, you just got to do the hard yards, don't you? Good times.
Good times, good times.
We've put in the hard yards today, haven't we?
Oh.
Put in the hard yards.
Yeah.
Yeah, we came down here and we didn't want to, and we were just watching bloody baitfish get smoked out there in front of us, and just we put in the hard yards. We weren't going to leave until we caught a good fish, and Fee came through with the goods. Yeah.
We said